Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Lechon Kawali Pinakbet. So let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have ginger, we got onions, tomatoes, shrimp, squash, string beans, okra, eggplant, and ampalaya or bitter melon. We have pork belly here that we're gonna do lechon kawali on it, and we have chopped pork belly, tender already. We got pork stock, salt and pepper, shrimp paste, olive oil, salt, and we have fish sauce. So let's proceed to cooking. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna bake the pork belly at 400 degrees for 2 hours, so it will become tender before we make it crispy. All right, let's hit the oven. Now we'll cook our pinakbet. I put oil already in our pot here, and let's put our onions. Let's give it a minute. Let's put our ginger. Let's add our garlic. There you go. Let's add our shrimp paste or bagoong. Now let's add our pork. Let's saute this for 3 minutes. Our pork is already tender, so this won't take a long time to cook. All right. Now let's put our string beans. And squash. The string beans and squash, it takes a little bit longer to cook, so we put them first. All right, give it a stir, and let's cover this and cook it for the next 3 minutes. Now let's add our okra. Okay, give it a minute. Let's stir it for a while. Okay, we can add our tomatoes now, and give this 2 minutes. Let's cover it. Now let's add our shrimp. And our eggplant and bitter melon or ampalaya. We'll give this another minute, and this should be done. Let's check our pinakbet. All right, this is done. This is done. Look at this. It smells real good. All right, we're gonna do the plating now. Let's check our lechon. Wow, it's getting there. So a few more minutes, it's done. Here is the finished product. Lechon Kawali Pinakbet. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.